Android phone. You go into Android add display. easycap. And there's the VR. Here's the easycap capture device. Goes to the Blu-ray player, playing the movie. HDMI is going to the TV. Gear VR is screwed up, so modded it. Put OTG connector. Goes to extension, which comes back to a female. Plug your phone in it. Same thing. It's in there. Looks the same. So the phone doesn't turn off. It's plugged in. Like that. See, comes out USB, female. The male comes out and it's back to female again. Here's your VR view. Plug your capture device into here. Power's on. And there's your VR movie. Even though it's not really VR or 3D or anything. It's only one video stream going in. If you had a VR movie on USB stick and you plugged it in here, push play, it'll show two videos side by side, and there you go. You get 3D movies whenever you want to watch them on your phone. It doesn't have to be plugged in the DVD player, but plugged in right there or right up there, and there you go. Here's your movie.